Telegram Premium, Telegram Premium, right? So this was me some few weeks ago, where I was frustrated about what I am currently getting on my airdrop, right? So I come right here and trying to look for Telegram Premium to get, right? So I can boost up my allocation right here and get to see this, that the Telegram Premium right now, the price is about 4.99 per month. So if I should want to do this for 2 months, that is equivalent to about $5. That's about $10. This is too much, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the cheapest way you can currently get this particular premium right here, and it is going to be straightforward, right? All right, so I'm currently using this already, and I'm going to be showing you how you can currently do this right here. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you'll not miss any of my updates and any of my video right here. So you can join me on Telegram. Also, I have the link at the description of this particular video right here. Let's jump quick into this particular video, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the step you need to go into this process with this, right? You can see we currently have about $4 right here. So let's proceed into this. I'm going to be making you know that and how to currently get this premium in a very cheaper way and a very long time things right here. So first thing first, you're going to go to your Thornkeeper. I know many people should have Thornkeeper by now, but if you don't have a Thornkeeper account, please make sure you download one right there. And if you have a Thornkeeper account, they're good for you. You can continue in this particular video. So the first thing first you're going to be getting is to go to your browser right here. So once you go to your browser, you're actually going to click on Fragment, FAR. This is it right here. Let me just spell it out, finish. FARGMENT right here. So just search it out, then click on it, right? So once you click on this particular place, this is a platform that you can currently get your star and thereabout. So I think many people are actually using this already. So if you're using this, you're still going to get the information right here. Please do not skip. Right, so the first thing first is come to this side. So once you come to this side, you're going to see at this side you're going to be seeing the premium or per year. So just click on premium, right? So clicking on premium, this is going to be showing you buy premium for a user and get this, you prepare this for a giveaway for someone, right? So first thing for you're going to be doing is to connect your wallet to this, right? Because this is just a web, so you need to connect a wallet into this particular account right here. So just click on connect and update your password and every other stuff. Automatically this is going to be connected to your wallet, right? You're going to see the symbol right here that it is connected to your wallet, right? So after you've seen that, all you need to do is to click on buy premium for a user, right? So you are actually sending the premium to yourself right here. So click on this, right? So let me wait, right? The reason why I said you should actually do this particular stuff is just because of what is going on in the industry right now. Because right now in the industry, if you actually not getting a premium account and you're currently doing airdrop, you're going to be getting low allocation. If you have been waiting that you have been getting dust, they have not been cooking well for you, this is one of the categories, Cathedral, and the eligibility point for all airdrop right here. They give more wallets, they give more rewards to people that are actually in premium, right? So if you actually make an airdrop and get some money from it, you can try to convert one of the money to invest in this and be able to earn more for a new project. That is just what I think, right? So you can make sure you do with your own advice right there. So first thing first, you're going to be seeing, so right here I have the update for this. So right, I have this particular side, I have 1 year is about 5 ton, and this is equivalent to about 28, that's let's say $29, right? So if you check out this particular second one, this is about 6 months. It is going to be equivalent to 3 ton and it will be $15, right? And we have this right here, this is about 3 months. It's going to be equivalent to 2 ton and this is $11. So this will take me back to our first place right here. So on this particular side, they say we're going to be getting 1 month of Telegram Premium for about $5, right? 1 month for $5. And if you come to this particular site, you're going to be seeing we have about 2 months for $10, right? So that is $11 right here. But if you actually do this particular one, we say 6, if you want to make this one twice, right, you're going to be spending about $22 right here. After a month, you want to renew it again, that's 22. And but if you do this particular 6 month right here, which is $15 and 3 ton, you are going to be saving a lot right here. So if you click on this particular one, this is the best you can currently do, and this is an half of a year, so you can actually make this and make a lot of airdrop, claim them, and when you get to the half of the year, if you make this by January, by June it should be expiring and you should renew it again by then. And that is quite simple. So how do you go ahead to do this? First thing first is to click on this particular site right here. So click on the receipt, right? So once you click on this particular receipt right here, you are going to input your Telegram username, right? So for me, I have Hippyoung, Hippyoung right here. Then click on search. So this is actually going to search up your Telegram, right? So make sure it is being searched and your name is currently showing, right? So you're going to be seeing your name is currently showing on this right here. So once it's showing, then click on Get Telegram Premium. All right, so once you click on Get Telegram Premium, it means you're going to be converting 3 ton to this for 6 months. So you need to have 3 ton in this particular wallet already. So when you're done, you click on the gift automatically. So once you've done that, it's going to go straight into your Telegram, and you are one of us and you are a premium user. I think that's caused a celebration, right? Yes. So give this video a thumb like, and I'll see you in my next video.